Sometimes life feels a lot like an old truck with a few too many miles on it. It still runs and still gets you where you need to go. But every now and then, that little yellow light pops on. You know the one that says, "Hey buddy, something's not right here." That kind of a light. Most folks pretend they don't see it. They turn the radio up. They start tapping on the dash, all in hopes that it will go away. But ignoring it doesn't fix it. It just gives it more time to grow. Engines don't fail all at once. They whisper before they scream. A misfire, a loose connection, a sensor that starts to drift. Small things that, if handled early, take a few minutes and a little patience. But if you keep driving like nothing's wrong, eventually it will cost you a whole weekend, a whole paycheck, a whole lot of heartache. Life works the same way. Your heart, your mind, your body, your relationships, they all have warning lights too. You feel yourself getting impatient. You notice you snap at people you love. You start carrying weight that wasn't there yesterday. Or maybe you feel God tugging at your sleeve, telling you, "Son, slow down. Let's take a look under the hood." Those moments aren't failures. They're invitations. An invitation to breathe, to talk to someone, to fix the tiny things before they become big things. To let the Lord hand you the right tool for the job. And here's the most important part. A warning light doesn't mean the engine's bad. It means that it needs some attention. It means you're worth maintenance. So next time that light pops up in your life, don't ignore it. Pull over, check in, ask for help if you need it. Small courage today saves big repairs tomorrow. You're not alone. God loves you. I love you. Until we ride again. Thank you.